Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aditya Singh Rajput and I am working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Ropar. I joined IIT Ropar in December 2019 and since that I have been involved in teaching, research, various industrial and outreach activity, and apart from that I am also delivering upon different administrative duties that are given to me. Before starting this video, I would like to express my gratitude to the administration of IIT Ropar for supporting me in my initial days of research through a generous seed funding. With that seed funding, I was able to kickstart my research. I was able to develop some of the experimental setup which I still utilizes and which has been very useful for me. Apart from it, I also thank IIT Ropar for giving me the opportunity and the exposure of outside world that is in the industries, which has not only saved me well as an engineer or researcher or teacher, but also as a human being. On the academic front, I have been teaching both the undergraduate and postgraduate students. At the undergraduate level, I have been teaching courses like strength of material, engineering products, steel design, and also the structural analysis related core courses. And at the PG level, I have been teaching bridge engineering and finite element analysis related advanced courses which are preparing the students for industry or for the further studies or research. Alongside teaching, I have been supervising various students for their PhD, masters or B.Tech related projects. So far, 3 PhDs has successfully graduated in my supervision and 3 master students have also graduated and they all are doing good in the industry. In terms of research and industrial collaboration, I have been heading multiple projects so far and I have contributed to different government as well as private industries solving their difficulties. Government agencies involved such as military engineering service, defense forces, and then PWD or ESIC and so on and so forth. These projects have not only generated funds for our institute, but also they have given me and my research group a lot of exposure which has helped us in refining our thinking toward the problems that we typically study in the classrooms. One of the most fulfilling experience has been my project with National Mission on Himalayan Studies, where we have the chance to go to the Himalayan communities who are situated in the deeper Himalayan side or the remote Himalayan side, and they are still using vernacular structures. Either they are constructing it or they are involved in the supply chain of it or they are occupying those structures. So we have a lot of fun interacting with them. We got to know a lot about those communities and we also got to know that how deep rooted our legacy of this vernacular structures is, how they build a sustainable system which can last for thousands of years. Apart from teaching and research and industrial collaborations, I have also been appointed for different administrative duties. I have been member of different committees such as Committee for Construction and Planning, Committee for Building Safety. I have also contributed to making financial policies of our department, and so on and so forth. A lot of administrative duties has been assigned to me and I have been delivering upon them to my best. Looking ahead for future, I plan to propose some of the project and field-based learning courses for the UG and PG students. I also plan to establish our Entrepreneurship Promotion Cell where I would engage with UG and PG students in order to help them identifying problems that the industries are facing and how they can, with their technological or innovative insight to that problem, they can build a business out of it. They can bring some solutions, some value to the industry and to the civil engineering domain. So that was a brief about how I have been working at IIT Ropar since my joining. For more about my work, you can visit my website www.adirajcivil.com, or you can also write to me on my email, which is adirajcivil@gmail.com. So with that, I would like to thank you for your time and see you again. Thank you very much.